Acting Police Minister Firoz Cachalia, Deputy Ministers Boshielo and Cassel Mathale, together with the National Commissioner of SAPS, General Fannie Masemola, will host the SAPS National Golf Day. This event aims to raise funds towards the South African Police Service Education Trust, which helps fund the educational needs of the fallen SAPS children. For more on today's event, we cross live to SABC News reporter Dludla. Kelvin, good morning to you.
Good morning to you, Leanne, and to our SABC viewers at home. What I can tell you is that SAPS says last year they managed to raise at least 11 million rands to assist family members of their families. Let me introduce one of the senior officials, General Dineo. Thank you very much for your time. You can just elaborate, because of time, why are we here?
Thank you very much, Calvin, and good morning to you and good morning to the SABC viewers. Thank you very much for being here. Today we are gathered here at this beautiful course of Serengeti Golf Estate, where we'll be playing golf in honor of our fallen heroes. This is our 7th national golf event, where we are raising funds for the children's education of our members who died in the line of duty. We know that every year in September we gather at the memorial site at the Union Buildings, where we honored our fallen heroes. Last year we honored 27 of them. If we have attended our commemoration day, you will realize that our officers, they leave behind the young ones that must still go to school. So we made a commitment in 2010 when the former Minister of Police, who was the National Commissioner then, introduced the SAPS Education Trust. And he said this trust will raise funds to support the educational needs of our children, children of our fallen heroes. So today we are gathered here to do exactly that. Last year, as you said, Calvin, we raised 11 million when this event was hosted in KZN. And this year we are aiming to raise 15 million. And I am positive that we will be able to raise 50 million with the positive responses that we have received from our stakeholders, all the companies that are participating, that will be playing here today.
How are you distributing it from lower levels, primary, university? Are you buying textbooks? Are you paying school fees?
We pay their school fees from primary, high school, as well as tertiary level.
What needs to be done? I know this is not about this event. What needs to be done for you to avoid your members dying in the line of duty? Because we are here today, we are raising funds for their children. How can we avoid that?
We have the safety strategy, which is driven by our divisional commissioner responsible for visible policing. We are improving the training of our members to make sure that they are ready, for any action, when they are called out to respond to dangerous situations. So we do train them, we do provide them with the necessary resources, we give them bulletproof vests, and we give them, even tools, of trade.
Let's talk about their psychological, their mentality now, because we are told that some of them are demotivated because of the lack of resources and other issues at work. How do you motivate them? How do you provide resources and all of that?
Fortunately, in my portfolio, Calvin, I am responsible for human resource management, and I do have a component under my division, which is employee health and wellness. And this employee health and wellness, I do have psychologists, I have chaplains, I have social workers. So in terms of taking care of the mental health of our members, we are using our EHW professionals to do exactly that.
This event, as you say, last year you raised 11 million and you are aiming for at least 50 million. This is what you are saying?
15 million and above.
Who's pledging?
Everybody's pledging will be in attendance. We also want SABC to pledge if they will be attending our gala event tonight. So we want everybody to pledge, and we are calling upon all South Africans who wants, to assist us also to pledge. We'll be sharing our account details with them so that they can pledge for this good cause.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. That was General Dineo Ngowa saying that even the SABC, the public broadcaster, should pledge. She is saying that last year they managed to make at least 11 million, but at least this year they are hoping for at least 50 million, and they are just assisting family members of their fallen heroes. Back to you in studio in Auckland Park.
Right, Kelvin Dludla. Wow, that would be a great achievement if they do. So let's leave it there. That's the Golf Day, SAPS Golf Day for charity that's taking place today.